Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Thinkific Payments, track course revenue step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Thinkific and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Thinkific account. Next, input your password in the designated field. After verifying your credentials, click on the Login button. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, find the Reports section. Click on Reports to access various financial insights. In the Reports section, you will find an option for Payments. Select Payments to view your course revenue details. Here, you will see a summary of your earnings from course sales. You can filter the data by different time periods for better analysis. Take note of any fees associated with the transactions if needed, download or export the report for further analysis. Make sure to log out of your account when you finish. This will help keep your financial data secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.